Are you looking for a power supply that's not only quiet, but also delivers serious power and stays reliable for many years? Then make sure to stick around until the end. Today we're taking a look at a powerhouse from CORSAIR that has become a real favorite in many high-end PCs. Alright, let's start with the most important point: performance. With 1000 watts, this power supply can easily handle even the most power-hungry graphics cards and processors. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or rendering, there's always more than enough power. No need to worry about stability. This unit is 80+ gold certified, which means you get over 90% efficiency at typical loads. Less wasted power doesn't just mean less heat, but also a lower electricity bill. Definitely a long-term advantage. What I really like is the fully modular design. You only connect the cables you actually need. That keeps your case nice and tidy and ensures optimal airflow. No cable clutter, no mess, just clean and organized. And now my favorite feature, the fan. During the normal operation, the fan stays completely off. Yes, you heard that right. As long as your system isn't under heavy load, it simply doesn't spin. That makes the power supply virtually silent in everyday use. And when it does kick in, the 5.5-inch fan with a fluid dynamic bearing is extremely quiet and built to last. Inside, CORSAIR uses only high-quality components. Japanese capacitors rated for up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. That's top-tier quality you usually only see in much more expensive power supplies, and if you want to stay up to date, no problem. This unit supports the latest standards like ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1, making it well prepared for future graphics cards and motherboards. In short, you're getting a lot of advanced tech, plenty of power, all packed into a compact, high-quality housing. If you want to know how to grab this unit at a good price, be sure to check the links in the video description. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of this power supply? Pros: extremely quiet operation, virtually silent in everyday use. High efficiency, saves power and reduces heat. Fully modular for a clean build. Excellent build quality, durable components. Future-proof thanks to ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1. Long 10-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: not exactly cheap. Quality comes at a price. Cables may be a bit short in some cases. Protection circuits engage late, only relevant in extreme scenarios. If you're looking for a reliable, quiet, and modern power supply for your high-end PC, this one is a very strong choice. Sure, it's not cheap, but you're getting top-tier technology that will pay off over many years. Don't forget to check the deals in the video description. You might even find a really great bargain. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech reviews.